Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I just woke up, I look like shit, I know, I need to get ready. My dad will be here shortly and yeah, today I'm really excited because it's all about cars. Let's go. Welcome to the Brussels Car Show. We have arrived. I'm really excited for today. Finally a video with a lot of cars. So besides showing you around today, I want to do it a little bit differently. I'll be showing you 4 cars. Well, part of the car, and you will have to guess which one it is. Put it down below in the comments. Now let's see what is on the show today. First car of the quiz. Write down number 1. Guess it. What car? Car number 2 in the quiz. Let's go. Car number 3. Okay, this is our last car of today's quiz. I think it's a very difficult one, so if you guess this right, chapeau. Okay guys, that was it for today. We have seen completely everything that they have in here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to put your answers to the car quiz down below in the comment section. I'll put the correct answers in the description. So yeah, in that case, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Later.